As the world has gone through this pandemic, we have become more and more disconnected, more isolated, and in some cases, extremely lonely. People now more than ever need to connect. And one of the best ways to connect is through amazing trips and through amazing experiences. And Airbnb allows our guests to do that. It's been incredibly difficult as we've all shifted to remote work. Airbnb is such a special place, a special culture where we really rely on interactions and collaboration. Salesforce allows us to understand those interactions more and continue to create amazing experiences for our guests and hosts.
With the Salesforce platform and Tableau, what I really love is giving our market managers the visibility into their host portfolio. The tools give them the content that they need, the data that they need. They have the ability to provide the best tips and tricks and best practices for our hosts to continue to grow and scale their business.
Tools like Slack allow us to communicate real time, but it also allows us to communicate more asynchronously. So we have flexibility in how we work and when we work.
With the use of Salesforce, we are able to now collaborate globally, and I actually feel like this has been a great way for us to be even closer as an organization.
What's exciting to me about Airbnb and our future is we have a very unique set of stays and experiences, and people are looking for unique stays and experiences. And at the same time, people are looking for more flexibility, and Airbnb is allowing for people to live anywhere, work anywhere.
Airbnb is not only a platform, it truly is a place for all of us to belong and connect. And with the use of technology like Salesforce, it's helped us get there even faster. We're doing good in the world, and we're doing it together, which is really inspiring.